Okay, gold. We're having a great day with gold today on Wednesday, January 19th, 2022. Decisive breakout here, breaking above 1830. That's a big deal. Um, I think that obviously everyone was going short here, coming off 8130, and some buyers stepped in, and now we got squeezed up. So everyone's trying to cover here. Would we come right into 850, 50? Hard to say. Um, you know, look at this closer here. This is actually one of those perfect little flag patterns. You got your pull up, flag down, and then you take this difference in height here, even up should be somewhere in here in that 1850, 1855 range. So, will that happen? Will we actually break across this line here in the next day or two? Hard to say. I have a feeling you're gonna start getting people stepping back in. I think the shorts are gonna step back in pretty hard here around this 1850 range. So realistically, yeah, we should see something up here, hang around, come back, retest. I'd like to see if we hold this line, that gives me confidence. Really got to hold that line, come out, break back down, and then resume up to where and then really even break above 1870. Kind of then you're golden and for going for a bit of a run here, but I wouldn't hesitate. As long as you buy above this line, put your stops tight, buy in close to it. I think you'll do okay. Same thing here if you're looking to go short. Stay tight, draw that line in the sand here. It's a good line to draw, and you don't get caught holding anything for too long. The dollar, we're kind of back testing this line coming up here. We maybe broke back into this channel. We'll see what channel really takes control here. But down day on the dollar. Be nice to see this break under too. So, we might play around in here a little bit. As gold holds in under that 1850 mark, and I would use that as kind of your insurance, or I would say your guaranteed conviction that if oil really starts dropping or the dollar starts dropping hard, then I think you'll see gold going up pretty hard. Oil, still going strong. Maybe a little bit of a topping candle here today. Would not be surprised at all for this to come back into about $84. I think that would be pretty normal for us to see that. Breaks under, I'd be a little more concerned. Your traders will step in here if it starts going under 84 and pull that down. Might pull it into even 80 is a big round number. They like to do that, but right now really bullish with oil. Everything's looking good with oil, so I still would be looking at long term here, getting into or the near long term for the end of the month, maybe this $93, $94 range. Still not unreasonable. Go over to the euro. We did break back into this channel, but back off support. We got the buyers stepped in. Good for the euro, good for gold. That's good for the US dollar. Keep an eye on that. Bitcoin, not so good. Do a day or two under this trend line, but I would not Yeah, if we had a couple of days under that trend line, I would not be surprised to see this now heading on down, and this is probably 35,000 is their next target. I mean, crypto's interesting, it's kind of a flavor of the month. Bitcoin is still big for the larger investment firms, but everyone, the retail guys, moving on to all the smaller Bitcoins now, trying to capitalize on some sub penny Bitcoins that are going to go to a few dollars or many dollars. So, yeah, and I mean, if your financial institutions are not liking this and are going short or just getting out of Bitcoin, the alternative there is going to be gold. So, I think that's good for us. Typically, Bitcoin and gold have never been friends. They don't follow too close beside each other. So, yeah, I think right now we're still looking good with gold. Looking good with gold, looking good with oil. Um, we'd like to see some confirmation here on both, that especially with gold getting back out of this range. So, see what happens there. Zoom in a little bit. Yeah, we're probably due to come back a little bit on gold. Would not be surprised whatsoever here. Anyways, that's what I got. We'll try put out another video tomorrow, see what happens, and make a game plan to go from there. Gold, nothing happens immediately. You always got a few days, not a few weeks, to really see what it wants to do. So um, we'll definitely see how this transpires and get a good game plan going. All right. Thanks, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button